Good morning, everyone. It's Amy from Quilty Studio here in gorgeous, sunny Pentwater, Michigan. Today we're getting some sunshine and we're having such a mild winter. It is gorgeous here today. So I'm hoping that, march in like a lion. No, in like a lamb, out like a lamb. That's what I'm hoping for. So my husband's giggling at me because I got the saying wrong. Anyway, hi there. How's everybody doing? I have a couple of new products to show you. One super exciting. Everybody's been looking for two of these items. So, so if you, I will be doing some pre-orders for a couple of things. So what I have in the stock is not what I'm going to get final, but I want you guys to tell me if you don't get one right now, if you want one. So anyway, so the first thing we're going to talk about is a couple of new products. So I have a book. I have the much anticipated glow ruler, and then I got in the itty bitty 8th 3x7 ruler that has been recommended by Karen Montgomery for the 9 patch a day, or if you're doing the Civil War sampler with her. So I have those in stock. I don't have the Civil War books yet. They are on back order. I will be getting them, hopefully. Okay, so I'm sure they were like, what? Why are these so popular? Well, because somebody really promoted them and brought them back to attention, and it's a great little project that Karen Montgomery is doing the sampler. So the first thing we're going to talk about is, I'll show you the package all. So we have the glow ruler. Oh, we might need that so you can show the glow ruler up close. Oh. The other one. So we have the glow ruler from Carolina Moore. I'm going to show you what it looks like and how people are using it. So this is a 6x6 ruler that has a light on it so that when you put it on a piece of fabric, it is much more, you can actually see where you're cutting. Great for fussy cutting. This is the kind of a great new step in rulers, especially if you're in a low lit area or you need to fussy cut and you're trying to be as precise as you can be. So this glow ruler comes in this package. She has a video. I will try and link it in the comments so you guys can go to it if you want. So it comes in this package. It does have a little hole so that if you want to store it in this package so it's not sitting up against all your other rulers, which we highly recommend, then so it has like a little tab that goes into the package and it keeps it nice and safe. And then it has like a little slide folder in there, and then it comes in a in packaging that keeps it nice and secure. And it comes with its own USB-C cord. I recommend you just put a piece of washi tape on there and you write what it is and what it goes to. So because we all have so many cords in our lives right now. This is what the glow ruler looks like. I need to put this behind it so you can see it. That's really. And then I'm going to have him switch to the other camera so we can turn it on and you can see what it looks like. Oh, that's better. This is the glow ruler. We're going to the other camera. And it has, so you just pinch this bottom and it lights up so you can kind of see it lit up. And when you put it down on your fabric, so I'm going to take it off so you can see it unlit. So see how it kind of goes away. You have to really get close to see all of those numbers. When I pinch it, all of those numbers become very visible, and especially if you're going to be like fussy cutting a 2.5-inch square, then you can see right where the 2.5 inches on either side. This is the 6x6 ruler. I only have 3 of them because we're keeping one in the shop so people can see it, use it, and all that kind of stuff. But I can order these. They'll be in April, May. They're saying April, but I'm thinking more like mid-April, May. So this is the Glow Ruler, super cool. And it doesn't have a battery, so you just charge it on the side. Um, I think it would be super useful, especially if you do a lot of things that you're fussy cutting or you're having problems, getting accurate measurements. So love that. So this is a Glow Ruler. I have 3 of them. They are $56. And I will be taking a list for pre-orders. So we'll take I don't know. I'll talk to Mark about that, but we'll take a list, and then if you're super interested, we'll give you a call and take a deposit. And then when they come in, you will pay the rest of your deposit and get your Glow Ruler. I'm also ordering, the same lady is making a 12-inch ruler, or 12 and a half. I can't remember. I'll look. Which is $91. If you're interested in that ruler, let me know, and I will start a list for people who want to pre-order that as well. I will be getting 4 or 5 of them in stock, but I'd like to know what the demand is. These are selling out all over the place, so that I got my first little shipment in is fantastic. So yeah, so I hope that anybody who's interested in that Glow Ruler who didn't get one, go onto the website. They are live right now, I believe. I think so. Anyway, I will double check that. But anyway, so the second thing we just got in is the new book from Fabric Cafe, and it's the 3-yard quilt ladies, and this is called Go Bold. I'll show you the back. So somebody at my seminar I went to in January at Symposium was working on, wow, they're all good. She was working on this one right here at the corner. And it was so adorable. So this is kind of more modern twist for them. Love this one. So that's Go Bold. It is in the shop, $18.99 for Go Bold. So there's that. One of the rulers that has been recommended by Karen Montgomery, I think for the Brown Bag Mystery and for the Civil War, is this Itty Bitty Eighths ruler. Oh, am I too close?
No, you're okay.
So it has very defined 1/8-inch marks. So if you're cutting things that are eighths, this is a great little ruler to have in your arsenal. $20.99. And I'm going to order the bigger one as well. So, but I think this one is really, it's always nice to have right at hand when you are quilting. So awesome. Okay. So I did a quilt kit out of the Old Glory from Layla Boutique, and those sold out quite quickly. So I kind of waited a couple, I think it's been 2 weeks, to see if I still had enough material to cut a few more kits. It's been requested a few times, so I have a few kits of the Freedom Quilt in the Layla Boutique Old Glory colors. I believe they're 98. So if you want one of the Freedom kits, I only was able to get 3 more kits before a couple of my fabrics are gone. So if you want those kits, go and grab them pretty quickly. And also out of Old Glory, I was working on this weekend the blocks for Stars and Stripes. So both of these patterns are by Erica Maid, of Confessions of a Homeschooler. And I carry a lot of her little truck quilts. Love her patterns. So I have a couple of the blocks to show you. So this is the block. So I chose like this soft kind of blue for my navy, and it's just a really cute little quilt. So you kind of put all of your flags going in a few different directions. So I don't show you her directions. So it goes like that. So I'll show you the finished ones, but I have a few kits from that, and they are $95. And that's also out of the Old Glory. And I don't know if you could see around this block they're all different low volumes. So you have the polka dots from Old Glory. I did like the little stars from Riley Blake. You have these little dots from another Layla boutique. And then the stars from Old Glory are at the bottom. So I just think once it's done and quilted, this will be a lovely little quilt to have. So those are those things. Our March special is 25% off all pre-cuts. So that's pre-cuts I cut and pre-cuts that come packaged from the companies. That is fat quarters, layer cakes, or design squares, or whatever they call them, jelly rolls, design rolls. So the 2.5-inch strips, and then the 5-inch charm packs. So those are all on sale in March, 25% off. So come and get your pre-cuts. I love the pre-cut. Anyway, so let's make a bag update. So we are in the process of cutting and packing boxes until next weekend. So you'll be able to pick up in the shop on the 16th, so Saturday the 16th, and we will be shipping boxes on March 18th. So if you are a So Let's Make a Bag local subscriber, you can come pick them up on the 16th, Saturday the 16th, and then we'll be shipping everybody's out on the 18th. I will have a tiny preview of what's going in the next box because I got a couple of the fabrics in. So we'll work on that this week. So you'll kind of get to see a couple of the fabrics that are going into the next box because I got them. So yay. So my husband's going, more work for me. Yay. So that's So Let's Make a Bag. So we talked about the glow ruler. Really super fun. Let's turn it on again. Super cool. So there's the glow ruler. I think this will be a really useful tool. We have the itty bitty 1/8 ruler that's in stock, and then the Go Bold new book from Fabric Cafe and the 3-Yard Quilt Ladies. I cut some more kits for Freedom, which was super popular, and then I still have kits for Stars and Stripes, which I'll put all together, and hopefully be able to show you the the quilt next time.
And then you want to mention when the first letter will go out.
Yeah, so brown bag mystery people, hi there everyone. I appreciate everybody who has purchased a brown bag from us. I do have some brown bags left. I will be putting them on social media so you can see what I have left. I'd love to have them all go to new homes. I have a couple of people who have reached out about custom ones. I'm getting those prepped, and I will let them know about those today. And so the first clue, so hopefully everybody downloaded their free pattern for tea and cookies. If you are interested in more kits, let me know. I think kind of after the pattern comes out, more people are pulling from their stash at this point. So love to hear if you guys are needing more kits, or you're good to go. So, and then coming up, we're getting to the point where we're almost ready for our first clue to go out on March 15th. So those will go out snail mail. So those will go into your mailbox. We got some really lovely bright envelopes, and they'll have a bunch of stickers on them, so you know that they belong to the Brown Bag Mystery. So the first ones, everything will get mailed at the same time on Friday. If you are local and want to pick up your clue, you can pick it up on Saturday, but you need to let me know, because otherwise they're all going to go out in the mail on Friday, and everybody should be getting their clues in the next couple of days afterwards. So we're all on the same playing field. First clues going out, super exciting. And we're all going to start making our brown bag mysteries. So awesome. So March special, 25% off pre-cuts. So come on in and check out our large selection of pre-cuts,
And
and
it should be online too.
should be online too. So Let's Make a Bag is starting shipping on the 18th. Locals can pick up on the 16th. So I think that's it. Is that it?
Might be it.
Might be it. Okay. Have a spectacular Wednesday. Enjoy the sunshine. If it's shining near you, we're gonna go out and catch some vitamin D, and we'll see you next Wednesday. Have a great day.